Excel shorts. How to use conditional formatting in Excel to highlight the values that are below average in Excel. So first, highlight the range of cells that you want to apply the formatting to. Then go to the Home tab. Now, into Styles grouping towards the middle. At the top, there's an option for conditional formatting. Click that. Then, on the second item down on the list, is Top Bottom Rules, where, after this, just click at the bottom below average. Where, after you click below average, you have the option to format these cells to look like the way they want them to. Yellow, green, or text. You can even do custom formatting to make them format whatever you want them to look like. Now, let's just say we wanted the below average values to be in red. Light red with dark font, red font. Click OK. Now we have the below average values highlighted. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Smash the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.